Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, on Learn With Miral, we're diving into the amazing world of our liver, the body's unsung hero. This wondrous organ is like a super machine, tirelessly working behind the scenes to ensure our bodies run smoothly. From helping digest food, filtering toxins, to storing energy, it's a multitasker like no other. In this episode, we'll discover a variety of delicious foods that can help keep our livers happy and healthy. Did you know it plays a vital role in digestion, detoxification, and more? Let's explore. Our liver is a powerful organ working tirelessly behind the scenes. It's like the super secret agent of our body, quietly taking care of business while we go about our day. It's got a ton of jobs, and boy, does it take them seriously. Let's take a tour of what the liver does. First up, it's the body's filter, sifting through our blood to remove harmful toxins. Imagine it's like a super efficient garbage disposal system, getting rid of all the things we don't need and can harm us. Next, the liver is our personal chef. Well, sort of. It helps digest food by producing bile, a special substance that breaks down fats and makes them easier for our bodies to absorb. So, after that delicious slice of avocado toast, it's our liver that helps us get all the good stuff out of it. And it doesn't stop there. The liver is also a bit like a battery, storing energy that our body can use when we need an extra boost. It stores glucose, a type of sugar that our cells use for energy. So, when you're running that last lap or studying late into the night, it's your liver that's got your back. But just like a secret agent, our liver needs the right support to do its job well. That's why we need to eat healthy, get plenty of rest and exercise, and limit things like alcohol that can make its job harder. Keeping our liver healthy is crucial for overall well-being. Let's dive into the world of food power. First up, we've got leafy green vegetables. Think spinach, kale, and collard greens. These green giants are packed with antioxidants and chlorophyll, helping our liver in its detoxification process. They essentially act like little scrub brushes, cleaning out the toxins in our bodies. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to grab a bunch of these green goodies. Next on our list are fruits rich in vitamin C. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, oh my! These citrusy delights are not just good for warding off colds, they also support the production of enzymes that help our liver process toxins. So squeeze some fresh lemon juice into your water or enjoy a juicy orange as a snack. Your liver will thank you. Let's not forget about whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are not just delicious, but they also provide fiber for healthy digestion. This reduces the stress on our liver, making its job a little easier. So swap out that white bread for a whole grain option. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Moving on to healthy fats. You might be wondering, fats, are they not bad for us? Well, not all fats are created equal. Foods like olive oil, avocados, and nuts contain healthy fats that promote cell function and support the absorption of essential vitamins. These fats are not just good for our liver, but for our heart, brain, and overall health too. Last, but certainly not least, we have lean protein sources. Foods like fish, chicken, and tofu provide the building blocks for liver repair and regeneration. Plus, they're super tasty and versatile, making them a great addition to any meal. But remember, food isn't the only thing that impacts our liver health. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and limiting alcohol consumption are also crucial. It's all about balance and listening to our bodies. By incorporating these food groups into our diet, we can help support our liver function and overall health. So let's make a promise to our livers. Let's nourish them with the foods they need to thrive, and in return, they'll keep us feeling our best. After all, a happy liver equals a happy body. But it's not just about what we eat. Our lifestyle choices play a huge part in keeping our livers healthy too. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and ensuring we get plenty of sleep are all important. Regular exercise helps our liver work more efficiently, and getting enough sleep allows our body to rest and repair. And let's not forget, it's important to listen to your body and limit alcohol consumption, as it can overload the liver. Remember, a healthy diet is a key factor in supporting your liver health. Our exploration today has taught us how leafy greens, vitamin C-rich fruits, Whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins can all play a part in maintaining a happy liver. So let's make a promise to ourselves to include these liver helpers in our meals more often. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your meals, you can empower your body's natural detoxifier and feel your best.